everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Jahin, and today I'm going to share 5 amazing free AI tools that will boost your productivity, creativity, and even your content creation game. Best part? They're completely free to use. So let's jump right in. First up, we have ChatGPT. It's like having a super smart assistant right at your fingertips. Whether you need help brainstorming ideas, writing content, or even solving coding problems, ChatGPT has got you covered. And the best part? The free version gives you access to most of the features that you'll need for everyday use. Seriously, this is one tool you don't want to miss out on. Next, let's talk about Canva. You've probably heard about it, but did you know Canva's free plan offers a ton of AI-driven tools? From designing stunning social media posts to editing videos, it's all there. Canva's AI suggestions even help non-designers like me make professional-looking graphics in minutes. Have you ever wanted to turn your blog post or script into a video? Well, with Pictory, you can. Pictory uses AI to convert your text into engaging video clips, perfect for social media, ads, or even YouTube videos like this one. Now, for all the writers out there, you're going to love this one, Grammarly. It's your personal AI writing assistant that checks for grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and even improves your writing style. Whether you're writing emails or working on an article, Grammarly ensures you look professional. And finally, if you ever need to translate text accurately, you've got to check out DeepL. It's known for being more accurate than other online translators, and it's perfect for anyone working in multiple languages. So there you have it, 5 free AI tools that can make your life so much easier. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try. See you in the next video.